Morning, how's it going? Mark here from Mac Hatter AI. I'm here with another artist video. Today it's going to be Norval Morrisseau. Again, we're going to start in SDXL 0.9. We'll go into the advanced prompt editor so you can see the full prompt. Now again, I've done my research in my book, found this artist and created this prompt. So he's a Native American, and whilst reading about him, he was advised by a medicine woman to change his name, so I put medicine woman in there. He done a lot of ancient symbolic etchings. He used acrylic and neon, so I've done neon brightness. He had quite a lot of personal struggles, initially because the First Nation Ojibwa, if that is actually Ojibwa, is actually a group of Native Americans. They weren't very happy with him because some of the art he did kind of let out some of their secrets. So he did have quite a few internal struggles of the mind, so that's why I've done that. And again, I'm going to pop the overall prompt weight up to 80. We'll go 16.9 again. And we'll do 9 images. And let's go. So that's a pretty cool outcome. If we want to check up on him, again, it's always it always makes sense to me to check out what artist style you're using, and then see, look at that straight away. Yeah, that is pretty close. Some awesome stuff going on there. I love that. But yeah, you can see that's pretty close to his art. So he's definitely an artist that the algorithm is aware of. Some great stuff there. Let's have a look. That's brilliant. I love that. I'm going to struggle on this one to pick a favourite, aren't I? I think they're all brilliant. It's the colours for me, I think. I love those colours, big blotches of them. But yeah, no, I think I'm happy with that one as being my... I don't know, it's like, I can see an eye there, but it's almost like he's standing behind a drum, playing a drum or something. There's a hockey stick. I'm sure it's not a hockey stick, it's probably a bow and arrow or something like that. But yeah, so our Norval Morrisseau, or however it's pronounced, he works as well. So another good artist to mess around with. Okay, I'll let you go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.